Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yeah, people. कहाँ गए सब?
Let's wait for another 5 minutes. How many of you did the exercise today, guys? Just type in me. Repeat what, Shrikant? I didn't get you. मैंने पूछा कितने लोग ने एक्सरसाइज किया अभी तक का, डे 1 से लेके अभी तक का, कंप्लीट कर दिया अपना टास्क. Priya has done, Ravi has done, Amit has done, Shrikant has done. All right. So any difficulties anyone has got, guys, till now? Any confusion, any doubts which needs to be resolved? Uruj has done. Okay. आज का नहीं किया. Okay. You're confused about today's task, Priya. What is it that you're confused about? You can come live and talk, Priya. Unmute yourself. You can unmute yourself and talk to me.
Hello.
Yes, Priya.
Hello. एक्चुअली आई एम कंफ्यूज कि क्या मतलब वो स्पेंडर और सेवर और उसके बीच में बहुत मुझे कंफ्यूजन था, तो मैं एक बार यशस्वी से बात कर लेती हूँ कंप्लीट इस बारे में, तो उसके
हाँ
बाद
हाँ,
मैं
ओके, और
बताती हूँ।
ठीक है,
या
चलेगा। ओके,
या थैंक यू।
वेलकम। दिमाग पे स्ट्रेस बढ़ रहा है अमित कुमार। किस बात का स्ट्रेस बढ़ रहा है अमित? कम लाइव।
सर गुड इवनिंग।
गुड इवनिंग, हाउ आर यू सर?
सर मैं ठीक हूँ।
एंड
सर एक्सरसाइज है ना जो 7 बार लिखने को कहते हैं मैडम,
राइट,
वो जो लिखते हैं ना, तो धीरे धीरे पहले पहले उतना नहीं, पर अभी जैसे डीप डीप में जा रहा हूँ, कुछ नई चीजें भी एक्सप्लोर हो रही है जो मैं नहीं कर रहा था, तो उस
करेक्ट,
पे और सोचने में हेवी हो जाता है, दिमाग हेवी हो जाता है।
ऑल राइट। तो एक्चुअली व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इज दैट क्या होता है ना, अपना कचरा रहता है दिमाग में भरा हुआ, अपन कभी उसको क्लियर नहीं करता है। तो ये जो एक्सरसाइज आप लोग को हमने दी है ना, इट इज लाइक आप कुछ भी आपके मन में, आपके दिमाग में जो भी चल रहा है ना, यू हैव टू राइट इट आउट एंड यू हैव टू थ्रो इट अवे। तो जब भी अगर कचरा अगर घर से बाहर निकालते तो आपको मेहनत करना पड़ता है ना, जब दिवाली का सफाई करते हो तो।
जी सर।
हाँ, तो वैसे अभी आपका दिमाग का सफाई हो रहा है, समझो दिवाली चल रही है आपके दिमाग की अभी, तो आपको दिमाग को आपके सफाई करना है। तो इसके लिए जब आप कचरा बाहर निकाल रहे हो, इसके लिए वो पेन हो रहा है। द मोमेंट सब कचरा बाहर निकल जाएगा, यू विल स्टार्ट फीलिंग फ्रेश एंड आपको ना अच्छे अच्छे थॉट्स आने लगेंगे अबाउट हाउ टू अर्न मनी, अबाउट द अपॉर्चुनिटीज, आप किधर से क्या पैसा कमा सकते हो एंड क्या वेंचर्स में जा सकते हो। अभी क्या आपको आपके सामने भी अगर कुछ अपॉर्चुनिटी आता रहेगा पैसा कमाने का, सिंस यू आर ऑलरेडी कंफ्यूज एंड यू आर ऑलरेडी विद आपके जो पहले के नेगेटिव थॉट्स है या इमोशंस है, जजमेंट्स है, जो भी आपको पैसे के लेके, आप उसके कारण वो अपॉर्चुनिटीज को भी अभी आप ग्रैब नहीं कर पा रहे। ओके,
जी सर।
so this is the one of the very big difference between a successful person and a non successful person. वो सक्सेसफुल पर्सन जो होता है ना, उसको और मेरे को, सपोज आई एम अनसक्सेसफुल पर्सन एंड यू आर अ सक्सेसफुल पर्सन, हम दोनों एक ही जगह खड़े रहेंगे ना अमित, तो एक ही अपॉर्चुनिटी दिखेगा। तो अमित विल फील कि अरे ये अपॉर्चुनिटी इज गुड फॉर मी एंड आई शुड ग्रैब इट। ओके, बट देन आई एम अ डम फक, आई डोंट नो, मेरा दिमाग चलता नहीं है। तो एंड आई एम, बिकॉज मेरे दिमाग में ऑलरेडी 100 अलग कचरा चल रहा है, तो आई विल से अरे नो आई कांट सी ऑल्सो, मेरे सामने से अपॉर्चुनिटी चले भी जाएगा, बट देन आई विल नॉट टेक दैट अपॉर्चुनिटी। So that is the
ओके।
main difference between a successful person and an unsuccessful person, and that is how you can make money, guys. बहुत सारे तरीके होते हैं मनी कमाने के, उसमें से एक दो तरीका मैं आज सिखाऊंगा आप लोग को, with which you can earn money. So that I will do it in the session in the later down. But then you just continue doing this as much as many time as you want to do. There's no limits as such. जब तक आपको लगता है कि आपके दिमाग का किस किस का होता है, एक राइटिंग में, एक सिटिंग में लाइक 7 बार का, या 2 सिटिंग में या 3 सिटिंग में हो जाता है, किन किन को 10-10 दिन भी लिखना पड़ता है, बिकॉज उतना टाइम का, उतने दिनों का, महीनों का, सालों का वो कचरा उन्होंने दिमाग में भर के रखा है उसका, एंड देयर इज नथिंग रॉन्ग विद दैट। अगर सिर दुख रहा है तो आई वुड एडवाइज नॉट टू टेक एनी पैरासिटामोल और नॉट टू टेक एनी मेडिसिन आल्सो, गाइस। Okay, let it go away. You can just feel it and you can just tell the pain to go away on your own. Speak to your subconscious mind, communicate with it, and वो मैं आपको कल वापस सिखाऊंगा how to communicate with the subconscious mind. Those who are already in my inner tribe, जो हमारे junior students है, they know that. जो आप लोग नए लोग first time associate, I will teach it to you tomorrow. So don't feel any bad about it and take it as the way it is. Don't try to take any medicines or paracetamol, disprin मत लेना उसके लिए।
नहीं नहीं सर, सिर्फ इलेक्ट्रॉल आपने कहा था कि इलेक्ट्रॉल का पाउडर लेना है।
Yes, that you can do because that gives you energy. And the more नींबू पानी, Ravi, please mute yourself. The more you drink these kind of energy drinks like electrol हो गया या water हो गया, नींबू पानी हो गया, sugar हो गया, it will give you more energy. Like जो अभी आपका balance है electrolytes का आपके body में, it will get balanced. So that is the reason we tell you. And again, when you go to toilet and all, when you go to toilet, so again you are taking out the negativity, you are releasing you are basically detoxifying yourself of it. So that is the reason we tell you guys to use water as much as possible. That is one of the reasons.
ओके सर, ओके,
Alright.
थैंक यू।
Okay, thank you. My question is why 7 times, not 5 or say 10 times? There's a logic behind that. Like they say हिंदू में 7 फेरे होते हैं, हफ्ते में 7 दिन होते हैं, and 7 elements होते हैं. So that is the reason it is 7. I don't want to get into that logic. Shrikant and guys, everyone just over here, I know it's a good question, but then don't apply logic everywhere, guys. Okay, otherwise what will happen is that the magic what you're going to get after completing this exercise is not going to come to you, because आपका दिमाग आप कर रहे होगे ये, पर आपका दिमाग में वही चल रहा होगा, अरे मेरे को 7 बार क्यों लिखना है, मेरे को 5 बार क्यों लिखना है, मेरे को 10 बार क्यों नहीं लिखना है. If you have the capacity, Shrikant, you can write 21 times also. That is absolutely fine. Okay, the minimum 7 times we tell is because, like as you yourself are saying कि मेरे दिमाग में बहुत सालों का negativity है, so it will take time for me. So that is the reason I am saying. मैं बहुत सारे मेरे जो previous participants और students रहे हैं ना हमारे, they have done only 7 times and they have come into the prosperity consciousness mindset automatically. So it depends upon you कितने साल का negativity आपके मन में है, आपके दिमाग में है and all. अगर कोई एकदम fresher बच्चा है, like we have students over here, okay, like Sanjana, and there are Pranjali and few other students over here, okay. So I don't think so उनको इतना लिखना भी पड़ता रहेगा, because they have really not done. और यही चीज अगर Shrikant you will tell someone who is 7 years 10 years of age, वो एक बार में करके उसका खत्म हो जाएगी, he will feel happy and relaxed about it. Everyone clear with this? Any doubts on this, guys? Great. So today what we are going to do is that we are going to do one very simple exercise again, and that's a very again powerful exercise what we are going to do. Most of my students have already done that and they might be thinking ये क्या बार-बार सर ये कराता है करके exercise, because that exercise is very powerful, and that is called as a loop of life circle, wherein again I will be taking you, making you draw a circle and you have to evaluate yourself. And जो नए स्टूडेंट्स है इधर, absolutely I can guarantee that majority आप में से किसने किया नहीं रहेगा वो चीज को. Alright, so how many of you are excited to do that exercise once again, guys? Just type in me. Nimish is excited, Shrikant is excited. Great. Alright. So everyone has got their pen and paper handy with you, guys? Just type yes if you have, so that I can start sharing the screen for you all. Great, okay. I will open the. In the meantime, I open it up. Anyone has got any doubts or anything needs to be cleared out, so that I can help you out with that. You can just unmute yourself and you can speak to me or Yashashri. Priya, you have doubts, so you can speak to Yashashri. Even like others will get to know what the doubt. अगर उनको भी वैसा doubt रहेगा, तो it can get solved again here only, instead of giving personally.
Yes, just a minute.
Yeah. Yashashri, in the meantime, you can just talk to her.
Hello. एक्चुअली मुझे वो बात करनी थी जो आपने बताया था कि पॉजिटिव एंड मतलब पहले तो बताया था आपने कि पॉजिटिव बताना है और नेगेटिव बताना है, तो वो जो है वो मतलब हम लोग ने जो 5 पॉइंट्स दिए थे उसमें से सिलेक्ट करके बताना ना कि आपकी पर्सनालिटी के ऊपर में जो सूट होता है उसके ऊपर लिखो पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव थिंग, राइट ना? हेलो,
You are on mute, Yashashri.
सबसे पहले तुमको फाइंड आउट करनी है तुम्हारी कौन सी पर्सनालिटी है, वो तुमको पता है तुम्हारी कौन सी मनी की पर्सनालिटी है?
एक्चुअली आई एम कंफ्यूज.
कंफ्यूजन ऑफ व्हाट, मतलब समझ में नहीं आ रहा है या फिर क्या है कंफ्यूजन?
नहीं कि पर्सनालिटी कौन सी सिलेक्ट करें एट दिस टाइम, कि लॉकडाउन की वजह से जो कंडीशन आ रही है वो सामने लाए या फिर जो नहीं है उसकी कंडीशन लाए, वो एक
लॉकडाउन की वजह से नहीं, तुम्हारी एक्चुअल पर्सनालिटी कौन सी? इतने सालों से तुम सेवर हो, इतने सालों से तुम स्पेंडर हो, या फिर अमेजर हो, अवॉइडर हो, या फिर होल्डर हो, वो तुमको फाइंड आउट करे, ना कि ये लॉकडाउन की पर्सनालिटी. रिसेंट वाला कुछ भी नहीं है. इतने सालों से तुम अगर स्पेंडर हो, स्पेंडिंग करती हो, तो तुम्हारी स्पेंडिंग, हाँ, then your personality is a spender personality, right? Then your personality is a spender personality. तो जैसे कि बोलते हैं हर एक पर्सनालिटी के पीछे पॉजिटिव एस्पेक्ट्स भी रहते हैं, निगेटिव एस्पेक्ट्स भी रहते हैं। तो स्पेंडर के कौन से 10 पॉजिटिव एस्पेक्ट्स है, 10 निगेटिव एस्पेक्ट्स कौन से हैं, ट्रेड्स कौन से है बेसिकली।
ओके ओके। और सेकंड क्वेश्चन जो
हाँ
था
हाँ
तो उसमें भी एक्चुअली आपने सेवर के बारे में लिखा था, राइट?
नहीं, सेकंड क्वेश्चन ये था, अगर तुम स्पेंडर हो और तुमको सेवर में जाना है पर्सनालिटी के, देन तुम कहाँ पे जाना पसंद करोगी? अगर स्पेंडर से सेवर में जाओगी, स्पेंडर से अमेजर में जाओगी, या फिर स्पेंडर से होल्डर, कोई भी। तो अगर तुमको चांस दिया गया है चेंज करने का, तो तुम उसके 10 पॉजिटिव एस्पेक्ट्स एंड 10 निगेटिव एस्पेक्ट्स बताओगी, ट्रेड्स बताओगी।
ओके ओके, ठीक है, मैं रात तक मैं मैसेज करती हूँ।
पक्का पक्का पक्का, ओके
या
ठीक है,
थैंक यू।
ओके या नो मेंशन।
वो जो सेवर करके दिया था वो सिर्फ एग्जांपल दिया था कि सपोज आप अभी होल्डर हो तो सेवर में जाओगे तो क्या लिखोगे, हमने सिर्फ एग्जांपल दिया। इट्स नॉट कि एवरीवन नीड्स टू गेट इनटू दैट सेवर मोड। ओके
डाउनलोड कर या सर, स्क्रीन दिख रही है, तुम डाउनलोड करना पड़ेगा।
हाँ
सर एक रिक्वेस्ट थी कि आप जो भी क्वेश्चन इंग्लिश में देते हैं वो दीजिए साथ साथ प्लीज। अगर वो हिंदी में हो तो और मेरे लिए समझने के लिए आसानी हो जाएगी।
ओके ठीक है, ट्राई करेंगे। एक्चुअली मेरी हिंदी इतनी अच्छी नहीं है, व्हेन आई स्पीक, मतलब ऐसा बात करने में अच्छा है, बट देन वेबिनार्स और वो सब करने में प्रॉब्लम होता है मेरे को। तो भी ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम, आई विल ट्राई इट आउट।
जी सर, थैंक यू।
ओके anyone has any other question, guys? I don't know why it is taking time.
Hi, Saurabh.
Hi, Sunil, right?
Srikanth.
Shrikant, hi. Sorry, I can't see the chat pad. कुछ दिख नहीं रहा है मेरे को मेरी screen.
Okay.
Yes.
Acha, my question is, if any one parent has inherent issue, like किसी के parent का अगर कोई आप मेडिसिन चले दिमाग के ऊपर और सकते हैं तो उनमें वो कंट्रोल के लिए या स्लीप के लिए, तो उनका अफेक्ट अपने चाइल्ड पे होता है या मतलब वो इनहेरिटेंसी का इशू रहता है? उसकी वजह से
समझा नहीं,
thoughts
I
आते
didn't
हैं।
get like what effect are you talking about?
अगर समझो किसी के फादर को अगर ये चालू है मेडिसिन
हाँ
माइंड कंट्रोल या दिमाग कंट्रोल करने के लिए,
क्या कंट्रोल करने के लिए?
दिमाग कंट्रोल करने के लिए थॉट्स आते हैं ना,
हाँ
तो वो कंट्रोल करने के लिए, तो अगर उनको वैसे नींद नहीं आती,
ओके
स्लीप नहीं आती, तो कंट्रोल के लिए डॉक्टर मेडिसिन देते हैं।
राइट
या तो वो इनहेरेंसी इश्यू चाइल्ड में आ सकते हैं, तो उसके वजह से कुछ होता है थॉट्स को इम्पैक्ट?
I really have no idea about that, but then उसके
Because my
लिए
father
without
has an issue.
medicine I can help the person to sleep.
Yeah,
And
because
I've
my
helped
father
also.
has this issue and वो शायद कैरी फॉरवर्ड क्योंकि शायद थोड़ा मूड में भी आ गया ऐसा लगता है।
अच्छा, no, I don't think so. वो चीज जेनेटिक होगा. We have doctor over here, Dr. Sunil. Are you there, doctor?
यशस्वी,
Wait, Ravi, just a moment. I'm
Can you-
speaking to doctor.
आप थोड़े वापस बोलो प्लीज।
Shrikant, please repeat your question to him ना.
या अगर किसी के फादर को इशू होगा लॉन्ग बैक, अगर कोई उनको थॉट्स आते हैं, उसकी वजह से उनको नींद नहीं लगती, आती है, तो थॉट के वजह से कंटिन्यू आते हैं अपने आप ही, मतलब ऐसे बैठे रहेंगे, अपने भी थॉट्स आते रहते हैं, तो उसको अगर कंट्रोल करने के लिए डॉक्टर ने कुछ मेडिसिन चालू किया, उसकी वजह से उसे नींद आती है, तो वो इशू अगर इनहेरिटेंस रहेगा फादर का चाइल्ड में, तो उसके वो भी इम्पैक्ट करता है क्या, मतलब नेगेटिविटी को या थॉट्स आने के लिए अपने?
Okay, see what Saurabh and Yashasvi they have taught us.
Yeah.
ये जो kind personalities बताया है वो डेवलपमेंटल मेंटल प्रोसेसेस है, ऐसा मुझे लगता है। डेवलपमेंट में मतलब बचपन से तुम कैसा बड़े हो, कैसा बड़ा है, और लोगों के एटमॉस्फेयर में तुम रहे हो बचपन से, फ्रेंड्स, रिलेटिव्स, फैमिली, फ्रेंड्स, और इवन योर कलीग्स इन द ऑफिस। तो मुझे नहीं लगता ये इनहेरेंट कुछ इशू है माइंड मनी पर्सनैलिटी के लिए।
Absolutely, that's right.
ये हमें डेवलप करना है अभी, ये जो सिखा रहे हैं हमें अभी इसके आगे ऐसा डेवलप करना
ओके
पर्सनैलिटीज।
ओके।
तो
क्वेश्चन था
ये
वही, थॉट
नॉलेज और
उनके वजह
गाइडेंस
से कुछ, वही उनके वजह से कुछ इम्पैक्ट होता है क्या अपने, वही
तो
क्वेश्चन।
अभी वो पूरा इरेज करके अनलर्न करके अभी नया चीज हम लर्न करेंगे।
ओके, तो उनका उसका इससे कुछ रिलेटेड नहीं है ना वो,
नहीं नहीं
अपना
नहीं,
थॉट्स प्रोसेस है बस।
नहीं।
See, your thought process can be like अभी क्या बोले इन्फ्लुएंस जो अभी आपका जो डैड है उनका थॉट
हाँ
प्रोसेस से इट कैन surely you will get influenced with that. It is like I always tell everyone over here जो भी हमारे webinars में रहते हैं ना, I always tell them to hang around with people who they really want to be around. अभी सपोज मैं चोर के साथ घूमता हूँ ना पूरा दिन श्रीकांत, तो मेरे भी
हाँ
दिमाग में सिर्फ चोरी के बातें चलेगी, समझा, कि मैं कैसे चोरी करूं, मैं इसको कैसे उल्लू बनाऊं, मैं उसका कैसे जेब काटूं या ये करूं या वो whatever nonsense it is. Similarly, if I am hanging around with rich people or those people who are into business and all and who only talk about money, so I will also talk about money only. So that is what your environment also plays a major role in this. So since now you have got into the learned helplessness, I will not get into what that basically is. That's a different concept called as learned helplessness. So what you have now done is that unconsciously you have started taking things from your dad, okay,
Yeah.
and these things are coming to you, and that is the reason you're also into the same thing like that. And this again will go to your child if you don't change your mental condition. So
Okay.
it is not hereditary as such, it can be changed anytime.
Okay.
Hey, what nonsense is this? I don't know what is happening. Just give me a moment. Anyone has any other questions? Just let me know, guys, so that we can talk. In the meantime, let's not waste the time of yours, and we can utilize this till the time.
Hello, Yashasri. Hello.
She's on call, Ravi.
Okay. Sure. This burning of these negative things every day we have to do it, no?
Not every day. It depends upon you. The moment you feel that yeah, everything is sorted off mine, there's no problem with me, and I don't feel that kind of negativity now around money, so you can stop it. Ravi.
Stop it. Okay. Okay.
That's absolutely fine. Yeah, meditation can also help Nimish to a great extent.
అట్లా కాదు, ఇట్లా 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 అన్ని ఎట్లా అంటాడా యశ?
నేను ప్రశాంతంగా చూడండి, నేను మీరు చూసినప్పుడు నేను వస్తానా?
And guys, so far, how has been the sessions for you from the last 3 days, 4 days? Can you just type in the chat box? Are you finding any value out of this workshop from the last 3 days, the time which you're investing over here? Are you finding it worth? Amit is saying awesome. Great. What about others?
Yeah, Saurabh,
Yes, Sunil.
I would like to share saying
Uh-huh.
the exercise which you have been giving since first day, called
Uh-huh.
to write because, reasons.
Right.
Okay, and that steers you down deep inside about your thought processes. I want
Correct.
to that it can be applied to like all issues of yours.
Absolutely. Yes, yes, you can.
Yeah, so like you can ask yourself, have you being positive in your life or positive in the particular relationship? Then
Right.
ask why. Why didn't you? Then
Correct.
you need to know your thought processes, and that will be really helpful.
Absolutely. Yes, you can do that.
Yeah,
Definitely you can
and
do.
this leads you to something called journaling. Journaling means you have to.
Right. You're right. Correct.
So writing gives you kind of solutions and
Absolutely.
positivity.
Absolutely right.
I liked it. I liked it. Means I used to do this journaling, but since long I had not done, and then I
Uh-huh.
got again connected with this because of you.
All right. That's good. You can continue this आगे जाके also.
Yes, yes,
All right. Guys, can everyone see the slide?
yes, yes.
All right. Thank you.
Yes.
Okay. So everyone is learning something new over here from past videos. Shrikant is saying it's good, but have to do daily. After lockdown, it will help me, but adding value. अच्छा है कुछ कर रहे हैं और आगे बढ़ रही है स्पीड स्लो है पर या स्लो एंड स्टेडी विंस द रेस आराधना किसको किधर जाना नहीं है सबको अभी और 6 महीना घर पे बैठना है सो चिल आराम करो धीरे धीरे करो अपने हिसाब से ठीक है guys so as I told you we have already most of you guys have already done this exercise but then and you might be thinking why I'm doing it again it's because of the new people who have come in over here all right so let's without wasting further time let me go ahead and do the exercise for you guys. So this is a very important exercise, guys. What you need to do is that you need to do this exercise on a regular basis as much as possible on a monthly basis, I mean to say, because this will give you a reality check of exactly what you are and where are you and what are you doing and why are you doing that way, and wherein you need to focus more in your life. Okay. So as I told you, this will let you know where you stand in different parts of your life. How many of you know different areas of your life wherein you need to focus? All the old students who know, don't put in the comments. Let's give the chance to new people. All the new people who are over here for the first time and who have not done this exercise, which are the different areas of your life which you feel you need to focus on? Just type in the chat box quickly. Yeah, Shrikant knows this. Okay. So you don't do this. Matlab you don't type in. The rest others like. There is Amit and Uruj and all are there over here, I guess. So you guys can type in. It's like career, relationship, और क्या होता है आगे? Chalo, I guess they don't know. So the old people who know about it, now let me know how many of you know the 8 quadrants of this circle. Type in fast, shoot. Yes, sure. The 8 quadrants बताओ उसके चलो. No, not this wheel of life. Amit Kumar, the one which you did, not the same thing. It is for wheel. That was Manika, what you did that day. I guess no. Finance नहीं है इसमें. Health. Okay. Yes, finance. All that fine. Career. Good. Relationship. Good. Yes. Yeah, Nimish. You have done this exercise last time. I know. Charity, spirituality. Okay. Good. So I guess everyone knows this. So without wasting further time, let's do this exercise quickly so that after that I can teach you another thing. So guys, what you have to do again is it's very simple. Like the last time, what exercise you did, what you need to do in this exercise also is you just have to put in your ratings from 0 से लेके 10 तक. Where is your finance right now? Suppose I feel my finances are right now very bad shape में, so I can put it 5. Okay, and my family and friends. When I say family and friends, it is like my relationship with my immediate family and my best friends. Okay, so I feel अरे मेरा mom dad मेरे भाई बहन के साथ तो एकदम मस्त जमता है, even daddy मम्मी के साथ मस्त जमता है. So I'm giving that as a 8. Let's assume. So the next one would be a personal growth. My personal growth is all about self-learning. How much time and how much this I am putting in my life to grow in a personal level. Okay. So I feel कि अरे मैं तो कुछ मेरा personal growth के लिए कुछ self learning करता ही नहीं हूँ. Like when I say self learning is like these kind of workshops wherein how many workshops are you attending or how many books are you reading or how many web series or whatever it is you are searching on Google, YouTube and all, which helps you to grow in your personal life. So for me, let's example, I say मेरे को तो बहुत अच्छा है, तो I will may give myself 10. Now I will come to relationship and I will say, oh, मेरा तो relationship है ही नहीं. And relationship, when I say relationship with everyone, okay, with your colleagues, with your boss, with your neighbors, with your family, with your girlfriend, boyfriend, neighbor की girlfriend, neighbor का boyfriend, जो भी है, whatever it is, you need to put in the number or what is the kind of relationship with you share with them. So I feel, oh, I'm very good in making relationship with everyone. So I give myself 8. Now I'll come to my career and I will feel, oh, because of this corona, my career is superly fucked up and I can't do anything. And from last 5 months, 6 months, I have not earned a single penny. So I'm totally jacked up right now. So I will give my career 3. Now I will come to fun and recreation. When I come to fun and recreation, guys, understand what is fun and recreation. It means कि आपका जो family time है वो आपका खुद का personal time, not the family time. Okay. Family time तो क्या होता है कि आप Saturday हो गया, Sunday हो गया, बच्चों को लोग के पिज्जा चले गए, मैकडी चले गए, मॉल चले गए या मूवी देखने चले गए. That is not fun and recreation exactly. Fun and recreation means कि suppose let's say कि Shrikant loves to sing a song. एंड अभी वो इतना टाइड अप रहता है उसके काम धंधे में, उसके फैमिली में, ही डजंट गेट टाइम टू स्पेंड फॉर हिमसेल्फ. इट इज बेसिकली अ मी टाइम फॉर योरसेल्फ गाइस. सो हाउ मच आवर और हाउ मेनी मिनट्स और डेज or time you spend in yourself to do this fun and recreation. Okay, so I will feel I am very good in that, so I will give 5 to myself. Then the next come the category just a moment, which is personal environment. Now, when I say personal environment, it is the environment wherein you are living right now, maybe your house or your locality wherein you are living right now, or the office wherein you work. So you have to look into all the quadrants of your life, of all the areas of your life. Suppose if you are in 1 BHK right now and you are not happy with that and you want to move into 3 BHK. So you feel, array, my personal environment, my physical environment is not that good. So I need to change this. So I'm not that happy with my office also. My office sucks. Yeah. उधर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर नहीं है, वाईफाई नहीं देता है, कुछ नहीं देता है, तो इट इज रियली बैड. सो आई मे गिव इट 3. नाउ कम टू द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग अबाउट योर हेल्थ. व्हेन आई से अबाउट हेल्थ, आई वांट यू टू टेल अबाउट योरसेल्फ. हाउ हेल्दी आर यू ऑन द स्केल ऑफ 0 to 10? आर यू रियली लिविंग द हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल? आपको कितने बॉडी में एलिमेंट्स है विच आर ओवरलुकिंग एवरी नाउ एंड देन यू से कि हाँ चलो आज नहीं, मैं कल देखूंगा करके, चलो बाद में देखता हूँ करके, आज ब्लड टेस्ट करना था बट देन मैं आज नहीं करता हूँ. आई एम जस्ट लेटिंग गो ऑफ ऑल द थिंग्स. So you have to put in how healthy you are right now, and you have to put in the numbers over here. Okay. And similarly, you have to connect all the dots, and you have to see where you are standing in each area of your life, guys. So everyone's clear with this? Any doubts anyone can put in the chat box, guys? Just type in yes or no. Yes, clear. Okay. Clear. Shruti also clear. Uruj is clear. All right. Clear. Good. So I assume everyone is clear on this. I will give you 5 minutes. It's 21:05 right now. By 21:10 we'll be back. I will just give you 5 minutes. You can just think from your subconscious level, say what is the real rating you would like to give. Don't cheat yourself, guys, because this is your personal wheel of life. I'm not going to reward you if you get 10 out of 10 in everything, or if you get 0 out of 0, I'm not going to judge you either. So it is your personal life and personal this. So just think about whatever ratings you want to give to yourself, because this is a reality check. It's an eye opener for you guys. Okay. So just do that exercise now without wasting any time. I'll give you 5 minutes, guys. In personal growth, Shrikant, you have to mention like abhi jaise, how much time do you invest in such kind of personal growth? Like how many times do you invest your money or your time into like attending such kind of webinars wherein you are right now, or you invest your time in going to Google, YouTube and all, and you read about self motivation ka या money related books or whatever which will help you grow in your personal life. Maybe you are in HR right now, so HR mein what all you can do, how much time you are putting into like self learning about HR का policies हो गया, IR हो गया, whatever you are not good in, and अगर आप उसको कर रहे हो तो कितना कर रहे हो, and are you really growing yourself? That is what is called as personal growth. Already people have joined in. I don't know why they are facing login.
Yeah,
problems.
that is what even I don't understand why they are facing. I already talked to Girish sir.
Okay. No, it's the
Let's
same link everyone every
Yeah,
day.
that is what.
You spoke to Girish, Yashasvi?
Yeah, already had got with Girish, but yesterday we also faced same problem. Today is also there. I think Zoom शायद update नहीं होगा और it might be check नहीं ठीक से करना. That is what.
Maybe.
Because शायद अगर ऐसा नहीं होता तो फिर I don't think so ना sorry. अपने को भी वही प्रॉब्लम हो जाता.
हेलो गौरव, हेलो
Yeah. Who's
तो
this?
मैंने क्या किया, ये जो जूम का तुम्हारा लेफ्ट साइड में आईडी और पासवर्ड दिख रहा है ना, वो लिख के रखा है. तो अगर वो लिख के रखे तो डायरेक्ट लॉगिन कर सकते हैं.
अच्छा. Okay.
और जो सबसे पहली बार दिया था वो अलग आईडी और अलग पासवर्ड था, ये गलती से मैंने कल उस पे गया था.
Okay. So if you have that, just share in the group ना, so they can try to log in.
नहीं, ये ऊपर एवरीबॉडी कैन सी एक्सट्रीम लेफ्ट में मीटिंग इन्फॉर्मेशन दिया है, एक्सट्रीम लेफ्ट में.
अच्छा, I am sharing तो I am not getting, I am not able to see. If you guys can see.
Everybody is able to see मीटिंग, तो उसमें मीटिंग आईडी है, पासवर्ड है और तुम्हारा नाम है होस्ट, तो वो उससे डायरेक्ट लॉगिन कर सकते हैं जूम में जाके मीटिंग आईडी पासवर्ड डाल के.
This copy link, invite link.
नहीं, मीटिंग आईडी 8403553.
Okay.
हाँ, so you have to put that as meeting ID and then put that password जो नीचे है वो. तो अभी मैं ऐसे ही लॉगिन किया.
अच्छा.
So everybody can do like this. Because this is recurrent.
Yes, recurring meeting है ये 5 days का.
रहेगा वो.
Great. Amit has done the exercise. So your highest, Amit, is family and relationship. Very good. And fun is very less. 1. Okay. Family is 10. Super. हम साथ है. Kind of Uruj. And which is the lowest, Uruj? Rating?
Health.
How much?
3 or 4.5.
Okay. All right. Okay. What about the others, guys? Once you're done, you can just put in the ratings, one the highest one and the lowest one. Suppose your family is 10 and your health is 4, so you can put in that way. Finance is 0, family is 9. Okay. Yeah, you are a student. Okay.
Team, आप मेरे मैसेज को कॉपी भी कर सकते हो और सामने अपने जो स्कोर है वो भी पुटअप कर सकते हो, बहुत जल्दी हो जाएगा।
Right. That is also a great idea, Amit. एंड ये एक्सरसाइज जो मेरे ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्टिंग ट्राइब के लोगों ने किया है, इफ यू हैव योर ओल्ड चार्ट गाइस, can you just see that chart and this chart and compare yourself whether have you improved or not in any of the areas? Can anyone get? Ravi, you have done this pehle?
Yes, earlier I have done it this sort of.
So you have that chart numbers with you?
I have done it, but that book is right now it's not there with me.
So anyone has got Nimish, Aradhna, Shreyash? Nimish has, great. So we'll take Nimish live for 2 minutes.
వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, సో దేనికి ఎందుకంటే అందరు
Everyone's done with the exercise, guys?
So today you have received the answer.
Just type in yes so that we can take Nimish on call afterwards. Yes, Amit has done, Nimish has done. Uruj has done. Right, almost, okay. So I will be closing this. All right. Mandar, are you there?
Hello.
Yeah, Mandar.
Yes.
Yes, did you do this exercise?
Yeah, just now.
So क्या मिला ratings? What are the you did not type in, so I'll put you.
I did.
अच्छा, you did. Okay, इतना बड़ा scroll. What it is? I missed out. I'm sorry about that.
So it's for
Okay,
relationship and health is 8.
Okay.
And family is 3.
All right. And finance is 5. Okay. Good. Okay. So you did this for the first time, Mandar, right?
Yes.
So how did you feel now doing this exercise? What was going in your mind when you did this?
Pretty clear where I stand.
कभी इतना deeply सोचा था like?
नहीं.
Correct. So that is the reason I tell everyone to do this. It's a very simple exercise, but then it is a very powerful exercise.
True.
What I tell everyone over here, guys, is that if you want, we will share this template with you on your WhatsApp. Okay. So every month you have to do this on the 1 तारीख को पगार मिलता है ना मंदार, उस दिन ये exercise you have to do. Okay. So what will happen is that suppose, sorry,
finance का rating बढ़ेगा फिर.
Yeah, not only finance ka rating, it will help you. See now what happened today, you have given finance ko 5, family ko 3, personal ko 7, relationship ko 8. Okay, let's assume today. Now next month will come, that is the August. Abhi to July ho gaya ye, so August will come. Okay, so let's say you can do it August 1st ko, and then September 1st ko when you do now, you will again come to know what are the ratings which you have given in the month of September. Now what you have to do is that you have to take your August का worksheet with you and you have to compare yourself कि अगर मेरा relationship पहले 3 था तो अभी 4 हुआ है कि 3.5 है कि 2 हुआ है करके. Okay. Alright. Similarly, this thing will help you to like अभी suppose your relationship with family is 3. Sorry, your family relationship is only 3. So अगर आप उसमें अभी काम करना चालू करेंगे तो 6 months down the line you will find okay now my relationship with this is 5 now. So 6 months, 7 months down the line you will get something tangible to see. अभी तक क्या था, there was nothing tangible for anyone over here to see and measure what is my relationship with my dad, my wife, my relationship with my girlfriend, boyfriend, whatever it is. Now आपके हाथ में ये tool है which can help you to give you a real picture about month on month basis पे आपका relationship और आपका जो भी circle में है, how it is and why it is, whether it is going down or whether it is growing up. That way.
Okay, noted.
Everyone, guys, you can just put in this, like take the printout if you have. Even if you don't have printout, you can just write it in somewhere wherein you know कि you will have that every month on month basis पे as a record for you guys. Cool?
Yes.
All right. Thank you so much, Mandar. Yes, Nimish, can you come live? Yeah, Anushka, you have to say something. Acha, Nimish is there. Yes, Nimish, bola.
Excuse me.
Who's this? Uruj.
I'm Aruj here.
Yes, bola. Yeah, tell Uruj. I guess, Nimish, we can take you. Please come. I guess Nimish is not there. He's facing some connectivity issues, I guess. ठीक है. No, you're not audible, Nimish. I guess there's some network issue with Nimish. Let's go ahead. Wait, I will try to unmute you. Yeah, you are unmuted, Nimish.
Hello.
Yeah, now you're audible.
Okay, I just put the phone on speaker. Okay.
Acha, okay.
Yeah. So if I compare the Wheel of Life, which I
Uh-huh.
drew a couple of months ago.
Right.
Okay, I just made an update of the previous changes and the current one.
Right.
So I can see few major changes, but most of them are not the same, but at least they are one level up.
Okay, that's nice.
Okay, like for example, the place where I've seen major changes is health.
Okay.
Okay, 2 points up, and then in family and friends,
Mm-hmm.
and in personal growth as well, because I'm taking many courses and all, learning a lot of things.
All right, that's nice. So earlier क्या ratings था इनका and अभी क्या rating है?
Okay, earlier health ka rating was 6, now it is 8.
Wow, superb.
Personal growth ka rating was 5, now it is 7.
Okay, superb.
Yeah, business career is same 5. No much changes.
Okay.
Fun and recreation का कम हो गया है. It was 7, now it is 6.
Okay.
Physical environment का भी एक कम हो गया है. It was 6, now it is 5.
All right.
Finance का it was earlier 6, now it is 7.
Wow, superb. So now, see guys, understand the power of this simple tool and exercise. ये आपको कितना tangibly आपको सब चीज को record करने का मदद करता है. So every month you will come to know कि आपका finance अच्छा चल रहा है या relationship अच्छा चल रहा है या relationship अगर अभी अच्छा चल रहा है आपका आपके husband wife boyfriend girlfriend के साथ, but then बाद में जाके अगर खराब हो रहे तो you will get to know that also. अरे my relationship with my girlfriend was 9, now it has come to 7, so I need to work out. अगर if you don't want to break up with her, then you can work out on that. So that is the way it is, guys. Cool.
Right.
So do this exercise very religiously on month basis, and it will make wonders in your life, guys. And always remember, ये 10 out of 10 कभी होने नहीं वाला आपका आपके life में. It is always going to be jacked up. Okay. ऊपर नीचे रह गए हो कभी भी 10 out of 10 आपका पूरे life में नहीं होने वाला है वो चीज. But then at least you can get it on a level of 7, 8. That is a very decent thing to go. Even if it's not 7, 8, 10. And वो complete circle भी कभी नहीं बनेगा. Like all are 8 or all are 7 or all are 0. वैसा भी कभी नहीं बनेगा आपका life का circle. Cool. ठीक है. So, how did you like this exercise, guys? Just put in the chat box. Amazing movie this is. Amit is saying must. Priya liked it. Shruti liked it. Good. Chalo. Glad you like this. Now थर्ड टाइम कर रहे हो, वाओ. तो कैसा, जस्ट पुट इन योर कमेंट्स आराधना कि कैसा लगा तुमको, ये 3 बार किया, कुछ तुम में इम्प्रूवमेंट्स आ रहे हैं योर हेल्थ को, फाइनेंस को लेके, या कम हो रहा है रेटिंग्स? यू कैन जस्ट पुट इट इन द चैट बॉक्स. अच्छा लगा, ओके, दैट्स ग्रेट. ठीक है. So now the next topic what I'm going to teach you guys is about passive income. How many of you are interested to learn about passive income? Priya, me, Nimish, Puruj, Brett, Shrikant. All right. Aradhana, Mandari Singh, me, Bada wala.
Yes, Saurabh, yes.
Yeah, Sunil is saying me. Okay. And now, what if I tell you, आप लोग ने जो 100 रुपया भी इन्वेस्ट किया है इधर 99 rupees, if I give it back to you, how many of you would be excited with that? Just type in I, बड़ा जो
There will be then big yes, Saurabh.
I have been working on creating some online medical education knowledge patient.
Super. Okay.
Wow. Good,
Super.
good.
I want to,
Super.
especially in lockdown, so I
Uh-huh.
want to make that very professional and like not free of cost, so that
Uh-huh.
I get passive income.
Right.
Super.
That is
Good,
currently
good.
in my mind all the time.
Right. Thank you, Nimish, for that kind words. Thank you. Yes, we deserve more. You are the first one in इतने सारे seminars में किसने बोला ये चीज, seriously. Thank you from bottom of our heart. सबको सिर्फ लेना ही है, इधर देना नहीं है किसको. All right. So guys, today what I'm going to talk about is affiliate marketing. Everyone knows what is affiliate marketing. Mandar is saying yes. Ravi is saying no. Priya is saying no. थोड़ा मालूम है. Nimish is saying yes. No, not endorsing brands basically, Mandar. Okay. All right. It is nothing but guys, it is like you are promoting someone else's business. Okay. You're selling off their sales, their products or services, and you're getting money out of that without doing anything, just using your contacts. It's a zero investment business. Even all the major celebrities, cricketers, everyone, they do this. You know, influencers, Instagram में influencers होते हैं, YouTube पे influencers होते हैं. What they do, they don't do anything. They just say, suppose अभी I want to promote my Edu Mentor, and let's say Nimish is an influencer. So I will go to Nimish. Hey Nimish, do one thing now. You have 2 lakh followers. Just shout out for Saurabh Sharma on Edu Mentor U. तो Nimish will say, ठीक है, मेरे को 50,000 रुपया चाहिए करके. Or else I want so and so profit, जो भी तेरा अगर कमाई होता है, I want to take that. So this is what basically is called as affiliate marketing, guys. You don't have to do anything. It's only you have to use your contacts, you have to use your social network, whatever, wherever you are right now, and you have to earn money out of that. Okay. So now if इसमें छोटा पैसा से लेके you can earn lakhs of rupees also. It depends upon what you are selling and how you are selling and whom you are selling basically. Now if you see Shah Rukh Khan also, Salman Khan also, they do affiliate marketing for all the other programs. Like you might be seeing Shah Rukh Khan launching someone else's movie or promoting someone else's movie, or Salman Khan getting some hero and endorsing him. No one does it for free, guys. आप लोग को लगता रहेगा ये relationship में कर रहे हैं, अपना चाचा भतीजा है, मामा है, चाचा है, जो भी है. No, they don't do that for themselves. What they do is that they make a deal with these guys कि okay, ठीक है, Salman Khan has already got 50 lakh 1 crore followers in India, and I am Aditya Pancholi ka beta, who is super flop, and I want to get launched in this industry. So what Salman Khan will do is that he will meet Aditya Pancholi, or vice versa. Aditya Pancholi will meet Salman Khan, and he'll say, hey, you are so popular, you are a mega star. Why don't you do something for me, my son? I will invest in your money. I will invest money in your movie or your whatever it is. So Salman Khan will say, "ठीक है, not a bad deal करके, let's do something on that." करके. So what Salman Khan has done is that he has done nothing. He has just done a shout out for Aditya Pancholi कि उसका एक मूवी आ रहा है करके हीरो, and that is the reason. भले वो मूवी चले नहीं चले, सलमान खान को लेना देना नहीं है उससे guys. Okay, Salman Khan might have got 1 crore, 2 crore, 5 crore, 10 crore or whatever the profits of that business is there. He might have got that, and वो टाटा बाय बाय करके हट जाएगा उससे. So this is what basically affiliate marketing is all about. Even you can start doing this, and this is an absolutely zero business money, guys. Zero money investment is what you need to do in this. You don't have to invest even a single rupee of yours, and you can earn hundreds of rupees, thousands of rupees, or lakh of rupees out of it, guys. How many of you are finding this concept really very interesting? Just type in interesting if you are finding it interesting, guys. Sunil is finding it interesting. Great. Promoting brand and product marketing. Absolutely. Correct. Super. So now what we have done right now is that I will come to my, how many of you would be interested to affiliate my programs, guys? Just type in I. Amit, Ravi, Mandar, Priya. All right. So the deal is very simple, guys. I really don't want to earn. I'm not earning anything out of like taking 100 rupees, 99 rupees from anyone out of you. Okay. What I want to do is that since people have been into Corona and people have been so depressed, and this is not our main income ka business nahi hai. I have my other business which is into HR recruitments, and I'm also into manpower, into pet boarding, and all my old students know me, and those are my old business. And Shrikant is one of my clients. मैंने श्रीकांत के लिए बहुत सालों के लिए काम किया, तो श्रीकांत also know about my HR का business. Okay, so what this we did, and even the same goes with Yashasvi. She's already settled with some other business offer into stock trading and all. So the reason we take so less for these programs is because we want to impact as number of people we can by charging them as less as we can. Because that is one of our mission and vision of ours, like wherein we want to impact at least 1 million people all across globe using our skills and services, whatever we have learned in the past so many years, so that you can make some changes in your life. So that is what it is. Now coming back to what this affiliate program is, guys, for every enrollment which you get to us for this marketing program of ours, this is the Neuro, money makeup mastery program, I am going to give you flat 50 rupees away on that. Okay, I'm not saying कि आपको 5% 5 रुपए दूंगा, 10 रुपए दूंगा, 20 रुपए दूंगा. So even if you guys get 2 friends of yours and your 100 rupees is back to you guys, you have got this program for free. Now many of you might be thinking, अरे 50 रुपए के लिए कौन काम करेगा? If you have that kind of mentality, guys, trust me, I am very upfront to say you will never grow in your life. With money especially. You might grow professionally, but then with money, you will never grow. Because every rupee counts. Okay, when you're trying to earn money, every single rupee counts in order to earn that money, guys. And if you think, अरे 100 रुपए के लिए कौन चिंदीगिरी काम करेगा, कौन 50 रुपए के लिए काम करेगा, so that is the mentality. Still you are not yet gone into the growth mindset, guys. You're still into the fixed mindset of the mentality wherein like तुमको जो 1000-2000 दिन का पगार मिल रहा है, या महीने का 50-60 मिल रहा है, या दिन का 500-200, whatever it is your salary or your income, whatever you're generating, you're just happy with that income. So you will be into that same income. Yeah, but obvious with the inflation and all, it will grow, but then again, it is not really going to grow in your life. You will be still into living that old mediocrity life, guys. How many of you are with me on this? Like, how many of you can understand what I'm trying to say, guys? Just type in me if you are understanding what I'm trying to say. Good. I assume everyone is able to understand. Good. So now, guys, what we have come up with that is there's an offer. It's not an offer also, basically. It's only like, I want your money, whatever you have invested in this, come back to you again. Okay. So you just have to get in 2 people minimum of yours. All right. And for every person who is joining in over here, you will get 50 rupees back again. How does that sound cool? And how difficult is it for you to get someone on this program for 100 rupees? Is it difficult? Just type in difficult. Okay, Mandar is saying no, it is not difficult. And do you guys really find the value what we give you is like 100 rupees या उससे भी कम का value we will give you? Ravi saying it's more. Thank you, Ravi. Enough there. All right. Thank you, Amit. What about others? I would like to know. आप काफी देते हो. Thank you, Aradhana. It's totally on our network and relationship. Right. Correct. So, guys, the deal is very simple. What you have to do is that you just have to speak to two friends of yours, and you don't have to promote Saurabh or you don't have to promote Yashashri. Okay, just remember one thing. You just have to tell them ki I have done this workshop and it just costed me 99 rupees. Okay, and I have learned so and in the last 3 days, 4 days, whatever it is. And you just have to tell them to pay money to us. Okay, or else I trust you on that also. You can take the money from them. Okay, suppose Mandar is over here, he gets two people, and Mandar will tell them to pay 99 rupees, 99. Don't take 100 rupees, guys, please. 1 rupee is also a cheating for me. If I have put in 99, so please take 99 only from them. Okay. Don't do कि उससे 150 200 ले ले और फिर मेरे को 50 रुपए दिया. That is your karma. That's absolutely fine. That person will come to know someday or the other. So don't do that kind of cheating. And I know no one will do such kind of. No one is cheap over here to do that kind of tactic. Okay, so what you can do, guys, is that you can just tell them ki, to pay you. Like Mandar is talking to two friends of his and he's telling ki, Arey, would you like to do this karke? I just paid 99 rupees and I got into this program and the next batch is starting on 27. Why don't you enroll for this? So even if you get two people from your this, okay, so your 100 rupees is to you, the rest 100 rupees, guys, you can give it to us. It's as simple as that. And now the beauty is that if you're getting more than two people, guys, many will say अगर मैं दो से ज़्यादा लाए तो क्या? So whatever amount is there with you guys, what you can use is that you can use that amount to buy our level 2 program, guys, which I'm going to give you the offer tomorrow. Everyone's clear with this, guys? So whatever the amount is going to be for the next level, you don't have to pay the exact level. You can just buy, you can just get it free by getting your friends over in the level 1, guys. How many of you are excited and how many of you are committed? Just type in EC if you are excited and committed to be in this program. Yeah, Amit, I will be telling it to you tomorrow. Shrikant is there, Mandar is there, Sunil is there, Ravi is there, Oroj is excited. Okay, Amit is excited and committed. Great. Priya. So I assume almost all 10 of you guys are excited and committed to get in your friends in over here. Great. So it's only 100 rupees ka deal, guys. I can't give you much days. Tomorrow we are on Friday, so Saturday would be the last day, guys, for this. How many of you can get two friends of yours by Saturday, guys? Just type in I. It's just 100 rupees, and you are getting 100 rupees of yours, guys, free. I'm not taking that also from. My Zoom went off.